If you have not updated these 5 settings on your YouTube channel, then you are definitely lacking behind. You have to understand that YouTube is changing fast in 2025, and if your channel is not properly optimized, is not properly set the right way, you are definitely going to be losing subscribers, losing views, losing watch hours, and also your revenue, most especially if you are monetized. These settings could be the difference between getting high views and low views on your channel. So you have to try your best to make sure you pay attention and quickly go to check if they are properly set the right way or not. So without much being said, let's get started. So the number one setting is choosing the right category. You have to understand that when it comes to YouTube getting views, subscribers, and the rest of them, YouTube makes use of your metadata, which are your titles, your tags, and also your video category, in order for them to be able to understand your content and match it with the right viewers. Now, for example, let's assume that your video or your channel is all about skincare, and you went ahead to set that particular video as entertainment instead of selecting how to and style. It's really going to be confusing the YouTube system, because right now they're going to be feeling that that content is relevant to maybe somebody interested in the entertainment kind of category and niche. That is why most of the time we upload videos, despite how quality, despite how valuable that content is, we are still not getting the visibility we deserve. It's because of some of all these small mistakes that we do ignorantly. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to properly choose and select the right category for your channel on your YouTube Studio desktop version. Okay, so now for you to get to your channel video category, what you need to do is to head over straight to your YouTube Studio, and for you to get there, go over straight to your Google Chrome, type studio.youtube.com, then sign in. That is if you have not logged in to your studio before. So head over straight to the setting aspect, which is more like the main channel general setting. Now, so once you head over straight to the setting, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this upload default. So once you click on upload default, go straight to advanced setting and select advanced setting. Then when you scroll down, you will see license, which is setting your channel as standard YouTube license. Then after that, go ahead and check on the next icon there. It simply state category. What you need to do is to click on this arrow here, and you will see a lot of other YouTube categories. Now what you just need to do is to check through your channel, check out what your channel is all about, and select the right category for it. Okay, so the number two settings you need to make sure you pay attention to is set your channel as not made for kids correctly. Now you have to understand that if you as a YouTuber, you create your YouTube channel and you automatically set it as not made for kids, you're simply limiting yourself from a lot of benefits like comments. If you notice, there are some channels that sometimes you want to drop comments and YouTube will not allow you to drop comments. Also, YouTube will be limiting your channel from getting notification or giving out notification to your audience. That is why sometimes once you upload video, your audience will not really get the notification. For example, somebody that is doing fun animated kind of content but speaks like an adult or teach like an adult, you might as well think that, oh, maybe this channel is channel for kids or strictly made for babies to watch. But instead of setting your channel as made for kids, go ahead and set it as not made for kids, because that kind of content adults can still watch it. There are some channels that looks like kids channel that I still watch till date. You have to understand that not all channel that you are to set as not made for kids. Maybe this could even be the reason why we are not getting the views we desired on our channel. So right now I'm going to be taking you through the YouTube studio setting on how you can properly set your channel as not made for kids. Okay, so what you need to do is, from that same channel general setting, just click on the channel option. Then you're going to see basic info and you're going to be seeing advanced setting. what you simply need to do is to click on that advanced setting. Then you see the option there. You can as well calm down and read through it in order for you to be able to understand what you are setting and what you're not. Okay, so you can see the three options. The first one is yes, set this channel as made for kids. You can see it. I mostly upload content that is made for kids. Then the second one is no, and the last one is I want to be reviewing this setting. Please, on no condition should you select this I want to be reviewing. If your channel is meant for kids, set it, and if it's not, set it. Okay, and the third setting is enable mid-roll ads if your video is over 8 minutes. Now this particular setting is strictly for channels that are monetized, or let's say if you are uploading content here and you are not yet monetized, you can also pay attention to this particular setting because it has actually affected me a lot on my channel. Now on YouTube, there's what we call mid-roll ads, which is ads that you can place on your video as long as it's more than 8 minutes. You can place this ads. But if you are a type that creates videos that are less than 8 minutes, then there is no how you can be able to put in these ads. So what you need to do is that anytime you create videos that are longer than 8 minutes, most of the time YouTube will not do it for you, most especially after they mapped out this new policy which they dropped around is it April or July, is it April or February this year. Once you upload your video, go ahead to your YouTube studio. Now click on that particular video, click on the monetization aspect, then go ahead and impute your mid-roll ads by yourself. It's really going to help increase your revenue. So if for instance you're supposed to be getting like maybe $2 for that video, by enabling mid-roll ads it can double that your revenue or even increase it. So you have to try your best to always make sure you check this out as long as your video is more than 8 minutes long. Okay, and the fourth setting that you need to pay attention to as a creator here on YouTube is adding video language and caption. This particular setting not only helps your content but to also help YouTube to understand your video. Then secondly, it also helps increases the visibility of that your video in global search. You have to understand that for each video you upload on your channel, YouTube and Google works in hand to hand. So most of the time, a viewer might be coming directly from Google to watch your video. So if your channel, if your video is not properly set with the right language, it can be affecting your channel visibility. That is why you have to set it the right way. Okay, and the third way also is that it helps AI to be able to generate the right substitute and caption for that particular video. Okay, so now if you're wondering where can I get this setting and where is it found on the YouTube studio, what you just need to do is to head over straight to your YouTube studio. So from that same setting, click on upload default. What you need to do is to click on that advanced setting. Now once you click on the advanced setting, you will see the option language and caption certification. You will see video language. Just simply go ahead and select English. Okay, English that maybe somebody can go over to Google or maybe anywhere or even the YouTube search bar to search and your content would be visible. Okay, do not leave it empty or do not set it as default. Make sure it's properly set the right way in order for your channel to get the right visibility. Okay, and finally, the last and the most one of the important settings you need to pay attention to as a content creator on YouTube here is to add the right tags that match with your title and your video description on your channel. Okay, for example, let's assume that you made a video on how to get monetized fast. Let's assume that that is your video title. Then your video tags should be things like how to get monetized on YouTube, get monetized fast, ways to get monetized fast on YouTube. Do you understand? Now if you're wondering how can I be able to get these particular tags or where do I find this setting on my YouTube studio, still from that same setting, what you need to do is to quickly go over to your upload default. Now once you click on upload default, you will see the tags section there. What you just need to do is to put all the relevant tags for your channel. If your channel is about food, just take your time to be able to generate up to like 5 or 7 tags and put them on your channel. Mind you, tags is different from hashtags, so when you're creating tags you have to pay attention. Okay, tags comes naturally. How to get monetized fast, comma, monetization tips, comma, but if it is hashtag, that is when you have this hash at the back. Okay, so you have to make sure you know what you're doing. And if you're wondering how can I be able to generate the right tags for my video, you can use tools like the VidIQ, you can use tools like TubeBuddy, and also your ChatGPT, of course. Just tell it to help you to generate the right channel tags for your channel. Then pick it up and go ahead and fix it on this tag space. And also when you are uploading your video, you will always see that tags option. Try to give it the right tags, okay, for the video. So what you need to do now is to make sure you go over to your last upload, maybe your 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, your past videos. Go ahead and check if all these settings are properly set the right way, starting from your video category, your channel category, setting the midroll ad, that is if you are monetized, selecting it as not made for kids. Just go ahead and check them out. If they are not having all these settings, make sure you fix them the right way, because it's really going to help your video not only get discovered, but to also make the YouTube algorithm to understand your content and to be able to push it to the right audience and to be able to push it the right way. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That is if you've watched to this extent, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. So please do well to make sure to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Okay, so bye and see you in my next video.